This is the green list. Number 1, rock. I had a rock in my shoe, so I took it out. Number 2 is spot. There was a spot on my shirt, so I washed it. Number 3 is those. Those are the shoes you should wear in the rain. Number 4 is chop. I am going to chop nuts and then sprinkle them on the cupcakes. Number 5 is broke. The dish broke when I dropped it on the floor. Number 6 is whole. I ate the whole cupcake, even though I thought I would only eat half. Number 7 is stock. I'm going to stock up the cabinet with new school supplies. Number 8 is close. The grocery store will close early because of the bad weather. Number 9 is stole. The bad guy stole $3 from the restaurant. Number 10 is flock. There was a flock of geese sitting on the side of the pond.